So in this tutorial, as usually, we will do our same procedure as here. We'll use NanoBanana Pro as it's one of the strongest engines for me right now. And I'll do the same examples as you see it here. For those topics at this moment, we don't have presets, so no worries. We'll just prompt by our own. It's not so difficult. So let's start. Just select a left side here. I'll just move it somewhere here. Left click, load the image, and let's select some Vismaker tutorial, and let's select our source image. Let's wait a second. I load only one image. Yeah, and I have it. So first of all, of course, I love pool. Now we have a little bit cold outside, but generally warm pool would make my day better. So what I'm doing, I'm pasting my prompt here, and let's see what do we have here. Flatten terrain, add modern swimming pool in front of the house. Keep the building camera and the light unchanged. Yeah, that's a good prompt. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, I am clicking on my source. I have my prompt. I'm selecting image editor, NanoBanana Pro, 2K, original, and that's all. Just clicking make. Maybe let's try to make it without pool. Flatten terrain. Okay. And just hit make. Also, I'm very interested what can it do for us. We can also do more and more different stuff, but it's a good start for prompting. So let's change and let's check how about this result. Maybe we'll also change something. So again, I'm selecting my source image. I'm doing Ctrl V and pasting my new prompt. Replace surrounding environment with the beach setting. Keep the building camera angle unchanged. Okay, I'll use the same prompt, but maybe now I'll a little bit update this prompt. Maybe I'll add some extra information. Maybe we'll put more about details. Replace surrounding environment with the beach setting. With the beach. And let's add that this beach is black sand beach of the lake. Yeah, and let's see how it will go. Just want to see how it will imagine it. Let's check the results here. Yeah, pool is very good. Really, really good. It's flattened terrain. And here we have also, here it was information without the pool. And let's compare the results. Right click, compare A. Compare B, enlarge. Yeah, terrain now is more flat. Like very, very good. NanoBanana is really one of my best engines, one of my favorite engines. Okay, this result is quite similar to the example I was showing you. And let's see what will it do here. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool, just definitely cool. So generally play around and, find some ideas. It's about, for me, AI is mainly about ideas researching and creative upscaling of your creativity. So it's like very, very cool. Generally strongly recommend you. So now you can also edit here, and you know that we can do a lot with this image. But let's come back here and let's use our more advanced prompt. And let's see how it will go. So yeah, let's move it a little bit left to not make a mess. I'm selecting left click source, and I'm pasting the information about what I wanted to do. Replace the environment. Okay, urban residential neighborhood, single house families in the style and scale of existing building. So it will be similar but not the same. Add neighborhood houses, both sides, local residential roads, sidewalks, curbs, typical neighborhood details such as driveways, fences, street lights. Keep the main building camera angle, frame, and light unchanged. Okay, that's good. It's okay for me. Maybe we can do something more, maybe not. I can click a few times and let's compare the results. Sometimes when we have a very big prompt, it's interesting to see, the ideas of the AI, how it's thinking. And while we are waiting, let's see the last prompt. It will be about to replace surrounding environment with a flat residential area, add local neighborhood, street sidewalks at similar types of the building, keep the main building lights unchanged. It's like more easier prompt than we had before. It was also about the information of flattening the surface. So it's like, will be more typical, and we will do the same. I'm selecting source, clicking Ctrl V to this prompt and hitting make like a few times, because I love to test as many as I can. And let's check here the details. Yeah, here the camera was changed, of course, obviously, but it looks good. As idea, it's very good. Here camera, I think, is not moved. Yeah, but we should generally try it. Compare A to compare B, and let's check. Very good. Very, very strong result, really. Like, I have nothing to, I don't know even what to say. It's amazing. It's perfect. And I don't have any suggestions. Like, it's exactly what I'm looking for. This one is it's like, if we will think like 0, 1, this is the mistake. Yeah, I was prompting not to change the camera. Keep the main building, camera angle, framing, light unchanged. Yes, but it's a good idea. Like, it's giving me more ideas in my head how this urban streets, how this urban can look like around my idea and around my project. It's very good. Like, I'm very happy with that. So yeah, like, not always AI mistake is bad for you. It's sometimes very good. It's giving you more creativity, more ideas in a few seconds. Here we have quite stable results, and that's really good. Really, like, I have nothing to add. So it's our basic prompts, and now you can know a little bit more about that. Of course, the file will be attached to this tutorial. And just check how many renders we made in 7 minutes. That's crazy. And the quality of those images are very good. So see you in the next tutorial, and we will discuss the option how to edit this environment and work with that. And see you in the next tutorial. Bye.